In this lesson, we're going to give you a quick demo of how you can easily design and post content to your favorite social media platforms. Before we go there though, let's quickly hit on 7 social media content writing tips. Number 1, do your research. If you want your audience to notice and engage with their social posts, you need to make them highly relevant to your target group. Number 2, speak their language. A post you write on LinkedIn for a senior level executive will read very differently from a post you write on Facebook for a new home buyer. Not only do these two groups of people have different challenges and points of view, but their phrasing they use to speak about their needs and challenges differs significantly also. Number 3, develop your voice. Your voice, or your brand voice, refers to the personality and emotion infused into all your marketing activities and social interactions online. You create that voice with the language and tone that you use when writing your content or interacting with your audience. Number 4, be positive. Now, this doesn't mean that every post needs to be happy. There's a huge difference between positivity and happiness. You want your audience, though, to be engaged and excited and inspired by your post, and that doesn't always mean a happy post. In some of your posts, you may choose to share your opinion or take a stand on something important to you and your brand. But there is a difference between taking a stand and attacking or criticizing others. Number 5, keep it short and simple. Use headlines, bullets, and lists whenever possible to make your content or post easier just to scan. Keep paragraphs to only 2 or 3 sentences, and be as succinct as possible when writing on your topic. Number 6, images and videos. Use images, graphics, and videos to tell a story whenever possible. Visual content is more engaging and can often tell the story quicker and more succinctly than words alone. In fact, images and videos can often stand alone in social media posts while still conveying the full message to your audience. And last, number 7, add a call to action. Just do this by asking them to share or like your social media posts. Ask them questions so they can answer in the comments. Direct them to another piece of content that you may have created. Send them to a landing page that you have relative to what you're posting about. Direct them to your website. Get them to subscribe to your newsletter if you're doing one on a weekly or monthly basis like you should be. And ask them to connect with you on other social media channels. So what's the most effective way to actually schedule your post? Well, here's the deal. Consistency is the key with social media. Once you have chosen the platform you're going to be using and focusing on, then what your content will be, it's time to start posting. If you've created a predetermined set of messages, using a program to pre-schedule your posts can be a big time saver. There's a lot of options out there for this, like Canva, Buffer, Hootsuite, Later, Post Planner, Loomly, just to name a few. Now, we are huge Canva fans. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and really just about anything you can, and any other visual content. There are dozens of real estate templates waiting for you to customize in Canva right now. Now, you can take control of your social media channels with Canva's Content Planner. It's great. Design stunning posts and share them across your favorite platforms at the exact time you want. You can boost your following and take the hassle out of your social media management access across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. If you're not a Canva user yet, click the link below to get started. Now let's jump into a quick tutorial. Okay, so here we are inside the Canva dashboard. This is what you will see when you first log into your Canva account. And before we jump into the actual content planner, I wanted to show you a couple places you can go to create content for your social media. Right up here at the very top menu, you're going to find a button that says social media. Go ahead and click on that. And then a number, just about everything you can think of as far as social media goes, will come in or pop up that you can jump in and start designing from pre-made templates. I'm going to show you a couple of those, but this is like from Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Facebook covers, TikTok videos, thumbnails for YouTube. Anything you can possibly imagine is already here. The great thing about this is the actual image sizes are already predetermined in here, and there, like I said, there's already a bunch of templates. Let me give you an example of that. Let's go to Facebook posts for a second. We'll click on that, and then first of all, a blank canvas will come up. You can start designing from scratch anywhere right here. But if you look over to the side, there's a number of pre-made templates for a lot of different categories. If you go up to the search bar here and type in real estate, click on that, you'll notice just a ton of pre-made templates for you that you can utilize to really jumpstart and make your social media a lot easier. One of the hardest things when you're going in to design something, if you're not a natural born marketer, is just staring at that blank page, trying to figure out what you can put on that. So you can jump in here and find a template that might, kind of strike your fancy. So let's just go and let's just click on this one here for an example. This is for a new listing that you might be having. You could come in and just throw in your image right here, put the address and city and everything and information about your listing, add your contact information or anything you wanted to add to this post, and bing, bang, boom, you could literally have a Facebook post ready to go in minutes. So there's so many options here. We're not going to spend any more time about the actual creating and designing in Canva. We'll have that in other trainings that you can jump into. But I just wanted to give you just a quick snapshot of what you can actually expect to find when you're in Canva. So let's go back over to the main dashboard where we were, and we're going to do a post in social media and schedule something that's going to go out, over the weekend. And you can see how easy it is that if you just do a lot of pre-made and pre-created content, you can schedule it all out and just let the system run it for yourself. Run it by itself. So go over here to the left-hand menu over here to the left-hand side, and right down here in the middle, kind of in this top section, is Content Planner. Go ahead and click on Content Planner and a calendar will come up. Now, you can schedule this out literally months in advance. Yes, by clicking up here over to the right-hand side, you can see you can switch out different calendar dates. So you can go way far out in advance if you have things planned that far out. So let's just say I'm going to post something. I have an open house coming up this Sunday, and I want to post in my Facebook group that I'd like to invite them to come to an open house. We have a new listing, and I want them to jump in and be the first to see a new listing that's on the market. So today in this example, it's Friday, but let's say I want to post something on Saturday talking about the open house that's coming up on Sunday. Go to the, in this example, the 23rd here on the calendar, click the little plus icon, and that's going to pull up all of your designs. Now I'm going to go to a predetermined set of designs I already have done for open houses, and here's one right here for open houses. I'm going to click on that and it'll pull up my design folder. In this design folder, we actually have a number of templates that we have designed. Then you'll be able to select the one that you're particularly looking for in here. First, let's start out with a date. We're going to schedule this. Let's see here. Like I said, we're going to do it for Saturday. So let's click on the 22nd here, the Saturday. Let's say we want this to go out at noon. I don't know. You can decide what's going to be the best timing for you. When you want to send your stuff out, so 12 p.m. Okay, so we have that done. The Saturday at 12 o'clock, we'll click done there. The next choice you have is to select where you actually want to send this, what social media platform you want to do. So you click down here and here are your choices. Instagram Business, which is new. You can't do it to your personal Instagram account, but you can do a post scheduled to a Instagram account if you have a business account set up. Facebook pages, Twitter, Facebook groups, Pinterest, your LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page. You can even post it back to Slack or to Tumblr if you want to do that. So we're going to do it to a Facebook group today. This is, so you click on Facebook group. Now, what happens here, if you have not connected your Facebook group to your Canva account, it's super easy to do. Literally, all you have to do is just click on Facebook, connect to Facebook, and then you just select which group you want to actually connect it to. I'm not going to do that here, but you'll find that it's super easy when you actually get to that section when you're scheduling your post. So very efficient, very effective. You can go just about anywhere you want to on social media. So let's go back to where we were before. Like I'd mentioned, this is pulling all my designs from a particular folder. It's an open house folder. I just want this first design to come up. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to uncheck all of the other designs, because if I didn't do that, everything in your folder would now appear in Facebook. So let's do that. We're right here. We're going to go ahead and Gonna go ahead and click number 1, and we are done with that. And then we're gonna write a little something in here. So, let's just write, don't miss my open house. And then, okay, so your flyer is gonna have all your information on it and what they're looking for. But let's add a little something else. Let's add another call to action in here. It's like, not the one. Check out all of the available homes on my website. Website. Put your web address. There you go. Now you go ahead and save this little baby. And let's see, we saved that as a draft. Let's go back here. And as you go back over here on your content calendar, the image of the content that you're going to be sending out on a particular day shows up. You want to just go in and let's say you want to edit it. Let's say, you know what, 12 o'clock's not going to work for me. Let's do that at 3 o'clock. Go ahead and just click on the image. You'll go back up here and you'll click on the date where the image was. The date and the time was. You'll change that to 3 o'clock p.m. Hit done, save draft, and you are good to go. All right. The reason why this is saying save draft as opposed to scheduled is because we didn't actually connect the group to this. So there's no place for this one to actually go. But once you connect your group, you'll be good to go. So that's it. A real quick and easy review of the content planner. You'll learn more when you get in here. Canva is so fantastic. If you have any questions, there's a huge learning library, both video, and you can ask a lot of questions just to the user group. So that's it. Now, back to you, Matt. All right, that's a wrap. I'll be back in the next lesson where we will get to work.